This free stock alert just made someone $2,947 while you were scrolling TikTok. And before you think this is too good to be true, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how these free alerts work. Plus, if you click the link in the description below, you can get access to a special discount that's only available today. Look, I get it. Stock alerts sound like one of those things that's either a scam or way too complicated for normal people. But here's the thing about Stash Stock Party. It's literally designed for people who don't want to spend their entire day staring at charts that look like abstract art. Think of it this way. You know how your friend always texts you about the best Netflix shows, but only after you've already started watching something terrible? Stock alerts are like having that friend, but instead of TV recommendations, they're telling you when stocks are about to make moves. Except this friend actually has good timing. The alerts come straight to your phone with specific buy and sell points. No guessing, no, maybe this will work. Just clear instructions. And the best part? You don't need to understand why Tesla's CEO tweeted about robots again, or what the Federal Reserve had for breakfast. Quick tip, the link in the description takes you to today's codes in seconds. You'll know you're in the right place when you see this logo. Here's what actually happened with that $2,947 alert. The system spotted unusual activity in a tech stock, sent out the alert at 9:47 a.m., and by 2:15 p.m., people who followed it were celebrating, while most of us were probably arguing about lunch plans. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about individual alerts. It's called Stock Party for a reason.